And we're answering your questions. And first up, Jimmy, we have one for you. It's from Drew in Alameda, California. Give me the scoop on Oracle. Hold it, sell it, or maybe something else.
I really don't like Oracle, and there's a very simple reason why. I mean, I have to compare this to the Ciscos of the world, the Microsofts of the world, companies that 25 years ago were at the top of the game, and some of them have come back like Microsoft and Cisco. Why hasn't Oracle come back, at least not as strongly as those two? It just doesn't generate the amount of cash that you would expect for a company of this size and this position in its marketplace. And until it generates free cash flow meaningfully higher than it does now, I'm a seller.
Okay. Weiss, got one for you. It's from Brandon in Georgia. Thank you very much for the question. Tableau is data, D-A-T-A, that's a ticker. Buy here. We'll wait for it to break out.
So I sold the stock at 110. I had about a double on it. So I've been wrong on it for the last 20 points, which is about 20%. I would tell you, I think the stock's already broken out, and that breakout happened a while ago. Quality company, ultimately, their path is to sell. Keep in mind, the person that runs the company, the CEO, came out of AWS and Amazon, actually helped build that company, so knows what he's doing. I just think valuation here is a bit stretched. However, the growth's still there, slowing down a little bit. I would not buy it here. I'd wait for a flush if what happens. If not, be happy with what you own.
Okay. Shannon, going for you. Gary in Charlotte, North Carolina. The dividend at Seagate, secure? And how much, you think?
We think it's secure. We own the stock in part because of the dividend. We think that there's good operating margin, good free cash flow. There has been a little bit of softness in cloud sales. However, the management team has been very adamant about being thoughtful around expenses, given the fact that there's been some softness. So we feel like it's a secure dividend.
All right, good stuff. Thank you for the question. Got one for you. Lastly, Joe, Dave in New York, Newell Brands. What's the outlook?
Well, excuse me, you're playing along with Carl Icahn here. They have a 9.9% stake. This is a stock that's been on significant pressure, but they're beginning to do some of the right things. They're turning the story around, reduce debt to about $2.5 billion. At 21 bucks, I take a small position.